Are you looking for the best legal and general pension funds to secure your future after retirement? Let's dive into the options that can really help you to save for a stress-free retirement. I'll give you 5 options. Now, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, so let's get into it. Planning for retirement can feel overwhelming, but choosing the right pension fund is key to making sure that you have enough money when you stop working. So, you don't want to leave your future up to chance. So it's important to pick the best fund that fits your needs, okay? So here are, like I said, 5 great legal and general pension funds for retirees. The first one is Legal and General Retirement Income. So it offers a variety of options to help grow your pension over time. The second option is Royal London Pension Fund. Okay? They're known for helping retirees to build a stable income for the future. There's also Aviva Pension Fund, offers strong growth and low fees, making it a good choice for retirees. There's also the Standard Life Pension Fund. They provide a mix of investment options for long-term growth. And then you got also the Fidelity Pension Fund. They offer easy management and a strong reputation for securing retirement savings. All right, so by choosing one of these funds, you can start building a secure future for yourself. It's never too early to plan for a happy, stress-free retirement. Believe me on that. If you like this video, if you got something out of it, leave me a like. I love you.